Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1 to 3 counting. Let's start. Orange color, orange color. 1. Number 1. O-N-E 1. Green color. 2. Number 2. T-W-O 2. Yellow color. 3. Number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Blue color. 4. Number 4. 4. Number 4. F-O-U-R 4. Red color. 5. Number 5. F-I-V-E 5. Red color. 6. Number 6. S-I-X 6. Blue color. 7. Number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Orange color. 8. Number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Green color. 9. Number 9. N-I-N-E 9. Yellow color. 10. Number 10. T-E-N 10. So kids, what we learn today? We learn orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color and red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.